This is the elevator here at the Days Inn in Victoria. That's on Ab. Oh wow. Get a cab view. Go to B. Can't tell what brand this is, but seems to have nice sounding relays though. Listen. Sounds like it's bottom drive. 4? Wow. We're on 4. Get a view out. There's the elevator. It smells like pizza up here. Anyways, here's a view out. There's the Royal Scot, and there's a Best Western over there. Call the elevator down. Use that. Currently, they're busy right now doing some stuff. Looks like they just delivered room service. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, just doing a video of the elevator. It's vintage. It's pretty old. Yeah.
Taking the video of the elevator.
I'm an elevator fan.
Are you?
Yeah.
Should I let you go first or?
No, you guys go.
Yeah. Let you go first.
What if these hangers? Have you guys used these?
Garbage. Just put it right in that bin.
Sounds like it's coming. It's here. Going down?
Yeah. Is there enough room?
Yeah, I think so. Just trying to get this cart in. What floor are you?
Ground. I'll take the next one.
Oh well. Alright. Yeah, the cab's been redone, it looks like. Oh,
You going up?
yeah. There it goes. And that is going to be it.